They don't. What we have today is a momentous situation in the country where young children below the ages of 18, through their parents, have gone to school to challenge Kenya National Examination Council in terms of the irregularities in their exams. The children are here. They will tell us the type of preparation they did for their exams, what they expected, and what has come out, and the impact it is going to cause, or it has caused, thousands and thousands of young Standard 8 kids who did their exam.
My name is Natalie Chelangat from Kitengela International School, Maine. And I would like to ask the government, are you taxing our marks or what? Because if the ballot papers can be recounted, why not our marks? I repeat, if the ballot papers can be counted, why not our marks?
Results were not as pleasing as to what we expected. We had prepared so hard. We used to wake up very early in the morning to go to class. Our teachers who came from miles away to come and teach us were not left behind. They used to come, they prepared us enough, and we were ready. We were sure that we were going to pass the examination. When the results came, we were very much disappointed to what we saw because it was not what we had expected to get, each and every one of us. Every single student out here who had their results messed up is at the moment depressed, they're devastated, they don't know what to do.
We don't want favors, we want justice for our children, the true mark, the true reflection of the abilities of our children. It's so hurting when the mother sits and looks at her child not eat, waking up every morning, crying because she was not given justice. It's so painful. We just want justice.